Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video. This is our Karoq SportLine 2 litre petrol 190 4x4 DSG in quartz grey metallic paint. As standard, the SportLine comes with an electric tailgate, with the button there to close it. The car currently has 8,366 miles on it. This is the Sport multifunction steering wheel with the DSG paddles here. You have cruise control on the indicator stalk. Here is the infotainment screen. The car does come with a built-in sat-nav along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if you wanted to pair your phone that way instead. It's got the dual zone climate control air conditioning unit, which also comes with heated front seats. This is the DSG gearbox. And if you go into reverse, it will bring up the front and rear sensors and the rear view camera. The SportLines also come with a Panoramic Sunroof as standard, which you can close the netting if you wanted to, stop at any point, and the sunroof also opens. As you can see, it has got an automatic light setting here, along with all 4 electric windows. That is for the rear window child safety lock. Here are the wing mirror controls. The wing mirrors are heated and they are also electric too. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.